Today's episode on Sugar TV.
Put some sugar in it, taste it. Put some vanilla in it, taste it. Probably put in about another cup of sweetener, so let's see what that does for us. But right now it's not sweet, so we gotta keep going. Guess what? I'm so excited. I got a new phone. Guess what kind of phone I got? A Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Let me know if the video quality is different, if it's better. Just let me know. Drop that in the comments. Today, I'm gonna make a low-carb cheesecake. I'm so sorry. I saw someone's cheesecake recipe yesterday. I'm gonna find the name and I'm gonna drop it in my description because he really is who inspired me to make this cheesecake today. But we're gonna make a keto-friendly cheesecake. It still is very calorie dense, but the carb count is super low. So stay tuned and watch this video. And as you know, before I can do anything, please give a little clicky click to the subscribe button. Make sure you comment below, like, and share. Let's see what I got. Alright, so for the crust, I have, this is almond flour. There's a 1 cup and a half of almond flour. This is Swerve sweetener. Let me show y'all what this is. And it has 0 net carbs. It's a sugar substitute. It does not leave a nasty aftertaste. It's really good to cook with, so we all love it. The only problem is that it is very expensive, so you want to use this sparingly. I've got about, I think this is half a cup of melted butter. I really can't tell you just right now, but there's some butter in there and some ground cinnamon. So we're gonna make this crust. So let's make it. I've lined up my cheesecake pan with parchment paper just so it doesn't stick. This is optional. You guys see the almond flour, the Swerve, and the butter together. I'm gonna mix it up so that it's sandy like. We want it to be nice and sandy. It's supposed to give you like a sandy texture. We're gonna wait for that. The cinnamon, that is also optional. You just want to do that to taste. And my personal opinion, let me see. Okay, it's not stick. So I'm gonna put some cinnamon in this, then I'm gonna pat it down. And then once you pat it down, that's your crust. And you're gonna just put it in the refrigerator for about 15 minutes. And we're gonna make this cheesecake. It smells good. Kind of want to taste it because I don't know. That's delicious. Okay. You can stop it tight. If you see some holes, you want to fill those. Take a little from somewhere else and pat it down here. Make sure you get the edges. You can put them up against the pan if you want to. Mine, I think it's going to be a little light, but you want to just pat it down. Make it nice and even. Then your crust has formed. It's going to go in the refrigerator. I'm going to put it in the whole time until it's ready to actually put the cheesecake filling on top. But there you have it. That's the crust. It's got cinnamon in it and some butter, some Swerve sweetener, and almond flour. So for the filling, it's going to be done in 2 parts. The first part is just a bowl of 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. That bowl wants to stand alone. In this bowl, we've got 3 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese. You guys don't see it, but there's some lemon back here. And I've got imitation vanilla because I'm using what's in my house. But if I were y'all, I would use the real deal. So some imitation vanilla, cream cheese, and lemon goes in here. And then we're also going to use, once again, the Swerve sweetener. Now I've seen some recipes that uses confectioner's sugar. I can't afford to have this sugar and confectioner's sugar, so we're about to see how this works with the Swerve sweetener. But right now, we're just going to whisk up our heavy whipping cream until it's very, very, very stiff. This is heavy whipping never use this, the longer you whip it, the bigger it gets. We want this to get really thick. Here is nice and thick. I'm gonna go move on to the cream cheese. So I'm gonna add some sugar and squeeze some lemon in this and some vanilla, and then I'm gonna mix it all together. Once we mix this all together, we're gonna mix this and this into this. Let's go. I'm gonna squeeze some lemon in here. Now this does not have any measurements, unfortunately. When I do food, I'm really not a measurer, so I'm just gonna squeeze some lemon.
Taste it.
Put some sugar in it.
Taste it.
Put some vanilla.
Taste it.
And then see what it needs. That's pretty much how I cook. So we're gonna squeeze this lemon in here. Cause you know everybody got different taste buds. You know what I like, some people don't like. What some people like, I don't like. So, you know. But always taste your food. That's probably the most important thing. If you like it, most people will like it unless you just don't have good taste. I would hope that everyone here has good taste. So I still got leftover sugar from little swerve sweetener from the Crust. So I use that first. I'm gonna go ahead and whip this and see if it needs. It's probably gonna need more sugar, but I'm about to see how much. I don't want to put too much sugar or sweetener in here because then it won't taste as good. I kind of like I don't like my cheesecake that sweet. I kind of like it more tangy. So we're about to see right now. I think it tastes. Not enough sugar. Put some more sugar in here. It's got that nice lemon tang that I like. So I just need a little more sweetener. I don't know how much this is. Put in about another cup of sweetener. So let's see what that does for us. But right now it's not sweet, so we gotta keep going. Alright, I added more sugar and more vanilla, and we're going to give it another go. Ready? Go. Give it a taste. It's almost there. Yeah, it's almost there. It's not there yet. So we're gonna keep going. Here we go. One more time. One more. Yep. That's it right there. That's delicious. Alright, so now I'm going to combine the cheesecake with the heavy whipping cream. It's going to be thick, 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 thick. Whip these together. After we mix them together, we're going to get a little taste. To make sure we haven't lost any of that flavor we just created. It's very creamy, which is really good. think I want to add, I like the creamy, but I think adding the heavy whipping cream, or the cream cheese to the heavy whipping cream, kind of took away from the sweetness a little bit, so I need to add more sugar. I'm definitely going to add some more sweetener. But I think once I do that, I actually might even add just a little bit more lemon in this, because I like a little lemony. I like it my lemony. I like it lemony. So I'm going to add some more lemon into this, and then just a little more sweetener, and I think the cheesecake is done. And I think here's where I'll give my disclaimer. I'm not a professional cook. I just like to cook really good food. So I'm not that good with recipes. I know it goes in things, and then I just do my own thing. So hopefully y'all do y'all's own thing too. But that's delicious. Alright, I have pulled the crust out of the refrigerator, and I'm about to just spreading it evenly throughout the spoon. Make it nice and smooth, because that big spatula wasn't working for me. And this is a no-bake cheesecake, so you do not have to put this in the oven. It really should be setting or sit in the refrigerator for 6 to 8 hours. But it is about 5 o'clock, so you're not going to sit it in there for 6 to 8 hours. I'm going to put it in the freezer for about 2 hours. Let's see what that does. But let's look at it, because it's pretty. Would you look at there? Just look at it. I'm also going to make a strawberry sauce, because I do still, thank goodness, have some swerve sweetener left. So I'm going to make some strawberry sauce with the sweetener. But as of right now, this cheesecake is done. Alright, I got some strawberries here because I'm going to make my strawberry sauce. I literally just cut up like a whole 1 pound of strawberries to make this sauce. I'm squeezing some lemon on it now because we want to add that acidity. And then I'm going to also add some more of the vanilla. And then I'm going to also add the swerve sweetener just to make it sweet. That's about all that I need. And this will cook down on its own. Strawberry contains a lot of water. So once it starts to cook, it'll do its own thing. This is going to go on top. Ooh, I'm just going to stop right here because we got a little ball here going on. I'm going to mix this all together and then just let it simmer. And when it starts to like boil, I'll put it on simmer and then it'll start to thicken. So let's watch this sauce do its thing.